So we made the mistake of sleeping with the aircon on all night because it was hot.
Degrees.
Neither of us can talk. We're coughing our lungs up.
I'm gonna have a diet bar.
Yeah, that'll fix it. Off to Koh Lanta today. What happened?
Melted, bruh. Nah, it's gonna be alright.
Oh, it is a gym. Oh,
Fuck yeah.
let's go on a bus ride.
Yeah, it's got a bucket.
Not bad for $20 a night, eh?
Good for $20.
Yeah, candid.
Cheers.
Alright, food review time. Another iced coffee review. We have the caramel boss, whatever that is. Caramel flavour. That's what I feel like. Oh, it's sweet. Very sweet. Also got some yogurt with some nutrients in it. I don't know. Just grabbed it. So it's not a yogurt, it's jelly. It's alright. And I got a toasty, but these all cost $3. Walk? I don't know what that is. So let's see how we go. And it's like a 7.
Oh, that's good. Follow your Instagram. Yeah, cool. Dude, I found a prawn. Nah, dude. It's a little rock lobster. Doop, doo-doo-doo. Rock lobster. Come here. Come here, boy. Come here. Thank you. Oh, this crap.
is that worth it?
Did you feel that whole interaction?
Just going out for dinner. Yeah, we feel like something nice tonight for me. Oh, let's go. That's what I actually really felt like. Doily really wanted to get the steaks, so we got the steaks.
I just put the idea out there.
Did we get carried away?
Probably. Without sauce. That's fresh as fuck, sweet. Was like a 9.8.
Oh, no way.
It's really good. Can I try this one?
Yep.
That's fine. It's still pretty good. You're like 8.8.
Oh, wow.
Coconut on the outside.
Yeah, it is.
Fish.
Not crunchy. Coconut on the outside. 8.5. They've just caught that over the railing here. They've gone, you know what's fresh? We'll just grab it now. 9.6. Unreal.
That might be the best thing I've eaten here so far.
Oh. Worth it.
Yeah, that was worth it. Wasn't even expensive.
And we still got the steak. I'm scared about the steak.
I'm scared too.
Steak looks good, prawns look good, size looks good. It's the most expensive meal we've had here. Good steak. Out of 10. Can I have a 1 bite and everybody knows the rules, please?
Yeah. 8.8.
Yeah, it's rare. Oh, that's a 9.2 for me. That's for free.
Yeah, because you spend so much fucking money there.
Yeah. Supposed to get up early. It's time 10:30.
Yep.
So this is what we got. Can't read the label. Looks like coffee beans. Alright. See if this is any good. Yep. Oh, that's pretty good. For an iced coffee in a can, I'd give that an 8.7.
Where are we going? No, I don't know. Nowhere. We don't have any plans.
We got motorbikes. We are just stopping at random beaches, checking them out. I got my drone license, so I might whip that bad boy out and see how we go. Sweating our holes off, so time for a quick swim. Now we're going to go on a little ride around the island again.
I came into this world, and my mom thought I'ma name this little boy Paul. Plain old boring old Paul. Imagine if I had a name like Jimmy Ricardo. I'm the king of the cards.
Nutella, banana, strawberry.
I know there is ice cream in it.
Oh, better when you get ice cream.
9-1.
9.1. Nutella, banana, 8.6.